So you want to stop kids from installing apps or prevent accidental purchases on your Hisense Roku TV? Don't worry, here's how to create a Roku PIN for parental controls and purchase protection. So first you have to grab your phone or computer and open any web browser. Then go to Roku.com and sign in using the same Roku account linked to your Hisense Roku TV. And after signing in, click the three-line menu on the left, then look for PIN preference or parental controls. And now you have to go for Create PIN option. And then here, enter a 4-digit PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. So when you're okay, just confirm it. And once it's set, just go back to the same page and choose when you want the PIN to be required. So you can select subscription and purchases, adding channels or apps, or for both. So when you're okay, then make sure to save the changes and you are done. And now from your Hisense Roku TV, you will ask for a PIN whenever someone tries to purchase or add apps or channels. And this is really great way to keep your TV secure and family friendly. And I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.